Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado juice. First, let's start with the basics of selecting and preparing this wonderful fruit. Choose an avocado that yields slightly to gentle pressure, indicating perfect ripeness. Then, carefully cut it lengthwise around the pit. Twist the halves apart and remove the pit by gently tapping it with a knife and twisting. Finally, scoop out the delicious green flesh with a spoon, ready for your culinary creations. Now that you have your perfectly prepared avocado, let's explore some quick uses and essential storage tips. A simple mash makes an excellent toast topping, or you can slice it to add a creamy texture to salads and sandwiches. To keep unused halves fresh, squeeze a little lime juice over them. Leaving the pit in also helps prevent browning. Store your covered avocado in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Avocado's versatility extends far beyond simple slices. You can whip up a classic creamy guacamole with fresh lime, onion, and cilantro, perfect for dipping. For a nutritious boost, blend avocado into your morning smoothies, adding a wonderful richness. It even works as a healthy fat substitute in some baking recipes. Try making a dairy-free avocado chocolate mousse for a surprising dessert, or simply add diced avocado to your favorite tacos. Beyond its delicious taste, avocado offers impressive health benefits. It's packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. Avocados also provide essential vitamins, including K, C, E, and B6. Interestingly, they contain more potassium than a medium banana. A typical serving size is about 1/5 of a medium avocado. Incorporating this nutrient-dense fruit into your diet is a fantastic way to boost your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.